a rolling masterpiece, a true expression of American automotive heritage. The 1975 Oldsmobile Delta 88 Royale captivates enthusiasts with its elegant presence and raw power. Become a part of our ever-growing community as we take a deep dive into this classic full-size car that ruled the roads with unmatched comfort, style, and performance, a legend in its own right. This magnificent machine stands as a testament to Oldsmobile's commitment to excellence, blending timeless aesthetics with power-packed engineering. First introduced in the 1940s, the Delta 88 lineage evolved across multiple generations, each carrying forward Oldsmobile's legacy of precision craftsmanship. By the time 1975 arrived, the Delta 88 Royale had already established itself as a symbol of sophistication and reliability. That year saw a stunning transformation in both design and mechanical aspects, showcasing a sleek, elongated body that exuded presence. Under its hood, a powerful Rocket V8 engine ensured a smooth yet commanding ride, making every journey a statement of luxury and authority. Modifications over the years added layers of refinement to the Delta 88 Royale. The 1971 redesign introduced a more aerodynamic look, while 1973 saw federally mandated safety improvements that included impact-absorbing bumpers. By 1975, additional enhancements such as radial tires, improved suspension, and a refined emissions system elevated the driving experience. The late 70s further marked significant advancements in fuel efficiency and performance tuning, aligning with changing automotive standards while preserving the vehicle's majestic stance. Stepping inside this automotive icon, one is greeted by an interior crafted for supreme comfort. Plush bench seating wrapped in premium upholstery, a spacious cabin with wood grain accents, and an intuitive dashboard layout provided an unrivaled sense of ease. The Delta 88 Royale was equipped with a host of luxury features, including power windows, air conditioning, and an advanced AM/FM radio system, ensuring that every drive was as enjoyable as it was memorable. The ride quality, complemented by a well-tuned suspension, turned highways into effortless cruising experiences. As of today, the 1975 Oldsmobile Delta 88 Royale remains a sought-after classic in the collector's market. Depending on condition, originality, and custom modifications, prices range significantly. Well-preserved models command anywhere from $12,000 to $25,000, while fully restored or low-mileage specimens can fetch even higher valuations. More than just a car, this is an era on wheels, a rolling embodiment of Oldsmobile's engineering excellence. The 1975 Delta 88 Royale continues to inspire admiration, serving as a reminder of a golden age in automotive history. Join us on this thrilling journey through the past, present, and future of classic cars. Subscribe, engage, and be part of a passionate community that celebrates the legends of the road.